Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer Miller, and I'm coming here to talk to you about the program that I lost 30 pounds in 10 weeks. So, Dr. Wander also went through the program.
And I lost 30 pounds in about 10 weeks, and I went from a size 38 waist to a 32. And so I had to buy all new clothes, so that's a downsize of the program. And the question a lot of people always ask us is, well, what kind of foods am I going to be eating? I mean, am I just going to be eating protein shakes all day? And so there are protein shakes, and they're really good, but there's also, this is chocolate pancake and muffin mix. We have some mushroom soup. And my favorite, the Southwest cheese-flavored protein curls, which are kind of spicy, so I like those. And then Doc?
We also have drinks, like the chocolate drink, or there's 2 types of chocolate pudding.
Not 1, 2.
And there's multiple different types of food. So we urge you to go to the website that's listed right below, and we'd love to help. We'll see you soon.